How to choose good wheel spacers on Tesla Model 3. When shopping for wheel spacers, half-century sets are the priority. A half-century spacers come with a middle center ring, which is specially machined to fit your vehicle hub. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage half-century rings. The multi-layers design provides the beavers to fit the corresponding half spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and a better load transition. If you use Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers, make sure the wheel studs are strong enough to keep everything in place safely. BONOSS Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. They are all approved by SGS and TUV. These SGS TUV certified wheel studs are completely safe to use. So, if you need a set of Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers to upgrade your vehicle, these wheel studs are the best hardware for safety. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this 15mm wheel spacers on Tesla Model 3, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.